As a homeowner in Lafayette, you take pride in maintaining the aesthetic and functionality of your home. One essential aspect of your home's appeal and security is the condition of your doors. Whether it's an entry door, patio door, or interior door, keeping your doors in top shape is crucial for both safety and energy efficiency. While a door can last for many years, there are certain signs that indicate it's time to consider a replacement. Here are some of the top signs it's time for a door replacement in your Lafayette home. Visible damage or wear and tear. One of the most obvious signs that a door needs replacing is visible damage. Whether it's cracks, dents, water damage, or warping, any noticeable damage can compromise the integrity and function of the door. Over time, exposure to the elements, such as heat, rain, and humidity, especially common in Lafayette's climate, can cause materials like wood to warp, swell, or deteriorate. If your door has significant damage, such as large cracks or holes, it's not only unattractive, but it also can affect your home's energy efficiency and security. Difficulty opening and closing. If you've noticed that your door is becoming increasingly difficult to open or close, this could be a sign that it's time for a replacement. Doors that stick, scrape, or jam often point to issues with alignment or the structure of the door itself. This could be caused by a number of factors, such as settling foundations, humidity causing expansion, or an old door that's simply worn out. Not only is this frustrating, but it can also be a security risk if your door doesn't close properly or seals tightly. Drafts and poor insulation. If your door doesn't seal properly, it can lead to drafts that affect the overall temperature of your home. This is particularly important in Lafayette, where humidity and temperature fluctuations are common. Over time, door seals wear down, which means conditioned air, cool air in summer and warm air in winter, escapes from your home. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work harder, leading to higher energy bills. If you feel a noticeable draft around your door or notice a sudden increase in your energy costs, it might be time to replace the door with a more energy-efficient model. Outdated style or design. As design trends evolve, your home's style may begin to feel outdated. The door that once seemed modern and stylish may no longer match the aesthetic you've worked hard to create. If you're looking to update the curb appeal of your home or improve the interior decor, a door replacement is a simple yet effective way to make a significant change. Modern doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, giving you a chance to enhance your home's overall look and feel. Excessive noise. If your door is not properly insulated, it can let in outside noise. This is especially noticeable with entry doors, which are exposed to street traffic, weather, or noise from nearby homes. If you find yourself hearing more outside noise than usual, your door could be the culprit. Replacing it with a door designed for sound insulation can drastically reduce noise and create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Security concerns. A door serves as the first line of defense for your home, so security is a top priority. If your door is old or damaged, it could be easier for intruders to break in. Check for any weak spots, such as a warped frame, cracked panels, or a door that doesn't close tightly. Older locks can also become compromised over time. If your door no longer provides the security it once did, it's time to replace it with a newer, stronger model that offers better protection for your family. Pest problem. Doors that are damaged, warped, or poorly sealed can create an opening for pests to enter your home. In Lafayette, humidity and temperature fluctuations can cause wood doors to swell, making it easier for insects, rodents, and other pests to sneak in. If you've noticed an increase in pests around your door or entryway, it could be due to gaps or cracks in the doorframe. Replacing the door will help eliminate these gaps and prevent pests from entering your home. Conclusion. Your doors are a vital part of your home's functionality, security, and curb appeal. If you notice any of these signs, such as visible damage, difficulty opening and closing, poor insulation, outdated design, excessive noise, security concerns, or pest problems, it may be time for a door replacement. Replacing old or damaged doors not only enhances the beauty of your home but also improves its efficiency, comfort, and safety. When you invest in a new door, you're making an investment in the overall well-being of your Lafayette home.